Hello students, welcome to my channel. Last day we have discussed about the basics of exponents, the formulas of exponents and some problems regarding the formulas we have done yesterday. Today we will start with the new concepts on exponents. So let's get started. First, we will learn about the standard form and usual form. The standard form and usual form. What is standard form and what is usual form, that we will learn today's class. Standard form. Suppose I'm writing a number like 3, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is a number which is too much big. If I write more zeros, the number will become more big. So in that case, we have to make it as simplest form, which is called the standard form. So let's write this number as 3.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of, so I can write it 3.5 multiplied by how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write it 10 to the power 6. Why 6? Why not 5? Because here if I write 35, then I will write 10 to the power of, if I write 35, then I will write 10 to the power of 5, because 35 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 is this number. But as I have written 3.5, so 3.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 means the decimal will go 6 steps to the right side. So suppose the point is here between 3 and 5. Then if I multiply it by 10 to the power 6, then it will go 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step. So this is the standard form of the given number. Let's solve another problem. Suppose the number is 2789000. If I have to make it standard form, then it will become 2.78. Try to first the decimal point, place it after one digit. So 2, after 2 write the decimal point. After 2 I am writing the decimal point here. So now decimal point here. So how many steps it should go in the right side? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, 5, 6. So we have to multiply 10 by 10 to the power of 6. So it will be the standard form of the given number, this one. Now usual form. Usual form means the opposite of standard form. Usual form. Suppose a number is given 3.75 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. Then as 10 to the power of 4 is there, so the decimal will go 4 steps to the right side. That means 1 step, 2 step. It will go more 2 step. So I have to add more 2 0. That means the number will become 37500. Let's solve another problem. 1.679 1.679 multiplied by 10 to the power of 9. So that means here 10 to the power of 9 is there. That means the decimal point will go 9 steps to the right side. So here 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So after 3 steps it will go more 6 steps. That means I have to add 6 more 0 after 9. That means the number will become 1679, then 6 more 0. This is the usual form of this number. Now let's solve another problem. 0.00005. Make it standard form. Make it standard form. So see here. This is the number. What I have said, I have to write the decimal number after one digit. That means 5. If I write 5 multiplied by 10 to the power, see, if I write 10 to the power positive here, then after 5 the decimal point will go to the right side. That means if I write 10 to the power of 5 here, so after 5, 5 more 0 will be there. But that is not the given number. So we have to write 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5. I have to write it 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So 10 to the power of minus 5 means the decimal point will go from the last to the 5 steps left. 5 steps left means 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 steps. Decimal is here only. This is the standard form of this given number 0.405. Now let's solve another problem. 0.0027. Make it standard form. So first I will write 2.7 because I said that decimal point must be after one digit. So 2.7 multiply by. Now decimal, suppose decimal is here. So how many steps it has done in the left side? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So I have to write 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3 means the decimal will go from the middle of 2.2 and 7 to the 3 steps left. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. This is the standard form of this given number. Now from your book R.S. Agarwal, open exercise 2B. Let's solve some problem. Question number 4 suppose. Question number 4. Mass of Earth is 5.97. So mass of Earth is given 5.97 multiply by 10 to the power of 24. 10 to the power of 24. This is the mass of Earth. Now mass of Moon is given. Mass of Moon is given 7.35. 7.35 multiply by 10 to the power of 22. 10 to the power of 22. The question is, what is the total mass of the two? So total mass will be equal to 5.97 multiply by 10 to the power of 24 plus 7.35 multiply by 10 to the power of 22. Now see this. This is 10 to the power of 24. This is 10 to the power of 22. So I can write it. The minimum of 22 and 24 is what? 22. So make this 10 to the power 24 in the form of 20, 10 to the power 22. So how can I write? I can write it by 10 to 5.97 multiply by 10 to the power of 22 and again multiply by 10 square, because 10 to the power 22 and 10 to the power 2 is equals to 10 to the power 24. So break this 10 to the power 24 as the product of these two. Why? Because after this line I can take common 10 to the power 22 from these two numbers. How? See, 7.35 multiply by 10 to the power of 22. Now take 10 to the power 22 as common. Now what can I write? 5.97 and 10 square will be remaining here. So 5.97 into 10 square means 5.97 into 100, and 5.97 into 100 means 597. So it will become 597 plus 7.35 will be common from the next part. So it will be 7.35. That means 5.597 in plus 7.35, it will become 604 plus 0.35. So it will become 604.35 multiplied by 10 to the power of 22. That means now it is not in the standard form, because in the standard form the decimal point should be after one digit. After one digit means after 6. So I have to write it as 6.0435. That means the decimal point is going to the left side, so divide we have to divide by, sorry, the decimal point is going left side, that means we have to multiply now 10 by 10 to the power of 2, because it is going 2 steps to the left side. Now see here, this multiply by 10 square will become this number. This point will go 2 steps in the right side if I multiply. That means the decimal point will come after 4, which is in the next previous line. That means we have to multiply by 10 square, again multiply by 10 to the power of 22. Now 10 to the power 22 and 10 to the power 2 will become 10 to the power 24. So the answer is 6.0435 multiplied by 10 to the power of 24. This is the answer. This is the total mass. Now let's solve another problem. Question number, let's say 6. Second question is second question of question number 6. Second question of question number 6. Size of the bacteria is given. Size of bacteria is given. Size of bacteria is equals to 0.123456, 0.60, then 4 meter. It is in meter. The question is express it in standard form. So I can write it 4 multiply by 10 to the power of how many steps? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step. 10 to the power of minus 7. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step. So 10 to the power minus 7 meter is the standard form of the given value. Let's solve some remaining problem of the given of this chapter. Let's say the question is find the value of find the value of minus 2 whole to the power of minus 5. minus 2 whole to the power of minus 5. How to solve this question? Last day I have told when the power is negative, then we have to make reciprocal of the base. So minus 2 whole to the power of minus 5, it will become minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5. First, this minus sign should be made positive. Means minus 5 have to be plus 5, and to make it plus 5 we have to make this base reciprocal. So minus 2 will become minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 5 means minus 1 whole to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5. Now minus 1 whole to the power 5, when the power is odd, then odd power of negative number is negative. So minus 1 to the power 5 means minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 5 means 32. So the answer is minus 1 by 32 is the answer. Minus 1 by 32 is the answer. Let's say another question. If question is, if 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 plus 10 is in the bracket, whole divided by 7 is equals to 6. Whole divided by 7 is equals to 6. Find the value of x is the question. Now I can write it 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 and plus 10 is equals to, this divide by 7 will go that side, means in the right side of equal sign, and will become 6 multiply by 7. And we know that plus, when plus sign plus something is going to the right side, then it will become minus. When minus is going to the right side, then it will become plus. Similarly, divide, when divide something is going to the right side from left to right, then it will become multiply. So divide by 7 will become multiply by 7. That means it will become 42. Now this plus 10 will go that side and will become minus 10. So 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, it will become 42 minus 10. Now 42 minus 10 means 32, and 32 is 2 to the power of 5. 32 means 2 to the power of 5. So the value of x will become, now see, in the left side also base is 2, in the right side also base is 2. Both the bases are same now. This is also 2, this is also 2. So the powers must be same. Otherwise, with different power of same base, they will not be equal. That means power should be same. So the powers, making power equals, we get 3x plus 1 is equals to 5. So now 3x will become 5 minus 1, which is 4. So x will become 4 by 3. This is the answer. So this is the answer, x equal to 4 by 3. Now let's solve another problem. Find minus 2 whole to the power of minus 3, again whole to the power of minus 4. What is the value of this? So I already said that when power of a power is there, then we have to multiply the powers. That means here it will be minus 2 whole to the power of this minus 3 and minus 4 will be multiplied and it will become 12. Minus and minus will become plus and 3 and 4 will be multiplied and become 12. Now even power of negative number is positive and 2 to the power 12 means 4096. 2 to the power 12 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like 12 times. 12 times 2 will be multiplied, it will become 4096 because 2 to the power 10 is 1024 and again 2 to the power 2 means again multiply by 4. So 4 multiplied by 1024 is 4096 is the answer. So that's all for today. Meet you in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you. And please if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.